Shut up. Add that to a page in my rap book. Drop 100K just to make a girl act up. I'm a rampage, I'ma make that pussy back up. Let me hit it from the back up. Make that ass fat, catch me riding and I'm rolling on some colors. Cause I'm colors, sitting on some custom made colors. And your main bitch telling me to do some other shit to her. I don't mind though, long as she know that I'm getting to it. Bitch, I'm getting to it, you ain't ballin' like me. Niggas hating, I don't give a fuck. They faking, talking about they ballin'. I see no nigga on my level. I'm a G, Cali Cook got my lungs shrinking. Don't know what I'm gonna say, boy, I just think it. My flow is so explicit, take a pic with me, bitch. It's worthless, makes you 3 bricks. Make sure nobody see shit. It's free for you, cause you my boo thing. Watch how I do things, it's real colors. MBM, we making movies, exclusive mixtapes, and ballin' to the max. Niggas swaggin', jackin', talking about they with my crew. Why you lying, nigga, reppin' clicks that never heard of you? I'm a murderer. If you fuck with me, then I'ma murder you. Ain't no sentimental feelings in this rap game. Money and the power, I'm the shit without no baby powder. Take a shower with my money, yeah, I'm coming up and niggas running. Join me, you can't take shit from it.